Hi guys, I'm Tech Sensei. In this new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make your videos, recordings or streamings look better and nicer for your viewers to enjoy more your content. So guys, I will leave the channel that I have for gaming purposes only, and that's where I found this idea. There was a guy in my comment that said like, how do you make the game so cool, so nice? And I really don't use any of the graphic settings to make it better, stuff like that in the game. Let's say for Fortnite as example for this tutorial I will choose. I don't touch the settings. I have performance mode, everything on minimum, nothing, not even view distance. Everything is on minimum 1080p. So what I do, mostly the first thing that I do is color correction. You can do this during editing with editing softwares like Premiere Pro, Power Director. You can even use CapCut, it also has this option. And the only thing that I change for color correction is saturation, but I prefer doing this on OBS so I don't forget to do it in editing. So I just go to OBS. I'm recording right now, so I will show you like this. I will use this source as an example, but for games you just choose the game sources, and you're gonna choose your game, your exe that you want to show, and then you click on it and it's gonna show you this option called filters. You click on it and here you find the saturation. Let's say how strong the colors are. You can say it like that. It's not the perfect way to say it, but that's how it actually is. So I put this to 0.30 for just display capture, but if I want to, let's say, record or stream a game, I put it in between from 0.60 to 0.75. If you pass 0.75, it's gonna look too much colorful, like one of my videos on YouTube in the gaming channel. So just keep it between that range, 0.40, 60, 70, around like that. This is the only thing that I do as a start for my video to make it look better. The second thing that I do is to go to an editing software. So let's say you want to use CapCut. For example, I have CapCut. You open CapCut and there is an option called motion blur. So the motion blur is what makes the game, let's say, look smoother, even if it's not actually a high FPS video, because as you know guys, YouTube blocks the video to 60 FPS. So the thing that does is makes it seem like it's going faster somehow by putting some motion blur. It's the actual name of it. You're gonna actually know just by trying it. So you can use CapCut, you can use whatever editing software for videos, or you can just do like me. I have this program called Blur. If you go to Chrome, you search it. Let's say I'm gonna choose a guest mode. You want to go to Blur GitHub. You just search Blur GitHub, and this is the website, this one here. You just download it in the releases here in this side here. You click on the latest one and you click blur installer.exe. Like every installer, you just double click it and do next until it installs. And after it installs, let's say you have a video in a specific folder. You have to pick that specific video. Let's say for, in this case, this one. You pick this video and you have to open Blur. You have to drag the video inside this window and then it's gonna create it. You click yes and it's gonna, let's say, make motion blur of this video. Now I'm gonna stop it because I don't need to. But when it finishes, I'm waiting for it to close. Okay. When it finishes, it's gonna create you an MP4 file. Okay, thanks to this config file. So it creates also a config file. And that's why I wanted to show you this, because when you open this config file, it's gonna show you all the settings that you need to change for quality and stuff like that. So here you can, let's say, edit it to make it look better. Let's say that I changed only quality and the rendering mode. I put GPU to true and I put AMD. I will show you because I have it in another folder here. This is my file. I use an AMD graphics card, so I just put AMD and true. So it uses the GPU instead of the CPU to process the video motion blur, but trust me, it's very heavy, so it's gonna take some time to create the version with motion blur. So after that, everything is good, so that's how I made my videos. Obviously, I will try to find better ways and more let's say techniques to make the game recording look better and nicer. If you want, guys, I will leave this file, or let's say we'll just copy paste it in the description below, so you can just copy paste wherever I have. Just make sure that if you have NVIDIA, you change this to NVIDIA, so don't just copy paste, or Intel if you have an Intel GPU. And that's it, guys. If you need any tutorial, you can leave a comment below. You can say whatever you need. Obviously, I will do the tutorials that I know about. And thank you guys for seeing this video. Remember to like, comment this video, and subscribe if you enjoyed this one. So, goodbye, guys. See you in the next one.